takeoffs on Tuesday. I'll follow the crows. There's pennies from heaven, I don't suppose. And I woke up on Thursday and fell for the floor. And my sister's a beauty, a beauty no more. God does